Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the golden egg and grow a garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this golden egg and I'm going to show you how you can get this egg. Basically guys, there are some ways to get this egg. You can buy this egg from this golden egg shop, or you can join the event from this update to get it. Okay, this is the shop, but you need to have 25k chalk coins to buy it, or you can buy it with Robux. But if you don't have the coins guys, I recommend you to join the evil bunny event or the egg hunt event. And from this event, you can have chance to get the golden egg. Okay, one of the rewards is this golden egg. You can shuffle your plant and you will get reward from him. If you don't know how to join it, you can watch my previous video. I've already explained how the event works. And also you can join this egg hunt event. You can also get the golden egg from this event. In this event, you need to find 10 Easter eggs, and you will get special rewards from this bunny. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the golden egg and grow a garden. New Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.